Hello everyone. This is Guru. Today I'll be taking you to the sample hostel room visit of VIT University. So there are so many students are asking about hostel rooms, room type, apartment type, so on. Today I'll be taking you to the hostel room visit. Let's get in. So we are into MH3, a new block, especially for freshers block. So we are entering into the apartment type room 202. This is your four-bedded apartment. So when you say four-bedded apartment, it has a three rooms in apartment. Three four-bedded rooms will be there. 4B3, 4 into 3 rooms. So totally 12 students will be there in this apartment. So each student they'll be having their own cupboard, study table, study lamp, one ceiling fan, one study fan, and table and chair. So this type of cot we used to call integrated cot. Students needs to climb up and they need to sleep at the top. So this is the cupboards and the rooms are very spacious. So you can keep all your safety items, everything in this cupboard. Bottom here you can use these two cupboards to keep your trolley, etc., and dresses, so on. Similarly, there are another room in the same apartment. So when you say 202, 202A, B, C, three four-bedded rooms will be there in this apartment. The difference between apartment and a room is apartment has attached bathroom facility with extra space in the front as a common area where you can sit and study or discuss, you can spend and relax, you can read newspaper, etc. This is 202B. This is a sample room. Here same you will see four beds. Another room 202C. Here also you will be seeing four beds. The common area here where we kept your micro sofa and fridge and microwave oven. This is the attached bathroom in the inside the apartment. You can see, so VIT is named for hygiene and clean. So you can see the cleaners. So you'll be having three bathrooms and three restrooms inside the apartment. So few students they may ask, is it sufficient? Yes, it is sufficient. VIT follows always FFCS, fully flexible credit systems. All the students they may not have a class at a time, so it will be based on their time slot, right? So 1:8 ratio. So we'll be having the restrooms and bathrooms here inside the apartment. All are Western toilet systems. So this is hand wash area. So we are just coming out of this four-bedded apartment here. So previously we used to give microset, microwave oven and sofa and so on. Nowadays they are not giving, so they are reduced the fees. So now we are slowly moving on to the room type. So two-bedded room and four-bedded rooms. So here you will be getting 15 two-bedded rooms in one side, another side 12 four-bedded rooms. Per floor 78 people will be there here. You can see that four-bedded, I mean this is a two-bedded room, two students, two individual integrated carts with more spacious. Two windows are there. All the room has a window. So here you can see the hook, butterfly type of hook. You can keep your shirts and fans here. You'll be getting one lamp, study lamp in the down, one fan at the top. Totally each students they'll be having two fans. This is your normal four-bedded room type. So the room type students they'll be using common bathrooms in the floor wise. Floor wise there will be a common bathrooms. So students they'll be using those bathrooms. Apartment type students they'll be using their attached bathroom facility. That is the main difference between your apartment and a room type. This is the floor wise the restrooms and bathrooms. Here you can see how it clean. It is very clean. So you'll be having washing area also here. So normal wash area. So hot waters will be available in the morning times. You can see the geysers. So washing stone also provided. So I think this is sufficient for students. This is your mess. So this is your special mess. There are three types of mess: veg mess and non-veg mess and special mess. Due to COVID, the hostels are closed. So that is why you're not able to see anyone. So non-veg mess, this is your non-veg mess. This is your special mess. And there the another door is there for that is your veg mess. So I hope you can I hope you might have understand about the rooms and the messes details. So we'll see facilities and amenities which are provided in the hostel in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe VIT AP updates. Thank you.